JEEP. What does that actually stand for? A lot of people think it stands for just empty every pocket. Now today that's exactly what it stands for, because we are emptying my pockets to the good people of this world. Now I'm gonna park the Jeep right over there so it's in a safe spot so we're not endangering anyone. I'm gonna pop the hood and see who's the first to stop. All right, here we are on the side of the road in a safe place. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood and make it look like I'm broken down. All right, let's count how many cars pass us before someone stops and helps. Let's see how long this really takes. Broke down. Just broke down over here, that's it. Maybe I should change my spare tire. I'm not waving like I'm waving, I need help. Come back. All right, it's now been 7 minutes. No help. Here we go. Yeah, come right about right here. Right here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You guys are so nice. Y'all are. You guys are one of the best people in the world. You all right? Y'all are offering to help people. This is amazing. You know how many people has passed here?
Oh yeah, they left me on the side road when she was a baby, and I had a flat tire.
Guys, this is amazing. Thank you so much. I honestly don't need a jump. This is what I like to do. Have you ever heard of Jeep?
Yeah.
A lot of people say it stands for just empty every pocket. Well, I'm emptying my pocket today to you. $50. There's nothing wrong with my vehicle, sir. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for being kind. Thank you so much. I do have a challenge for you though. I can double that money for you. I can make it $100. Okay? If you give 5 people $20
I can do that.
in the next 15 minutes.
I can do that.
I got another $50 right here.
I'm headed to Home Depot.
I'm gonna follow you.
right
Where are
now.
you going?
Home Depot.
Home Depot. We're going to Home Depot.
All right.
Let's rock and roll.
It's an easy day, boys.
Thank you. I love that Depot.
We're gonna double their money. They're gonna give 5 people $20 each. All right, guys, this is awesome. I got somebody to stop that really needs it. They stopped to help me because they had been stranded sometime before. We're on our way to Home Depot right now. They're gonna give 5 different people $20 so they can get an extra 50. So I've got a YouTube channel, okay? And I'm doing this for the people, all right?
Okay.
So this $50 can be yours
Okay.
if you give 5 people $20.
Just random people.
Random people of kindness, random acts of kindness. Here we go.
Woohoo!
Let's make it exciting. This guy right here, look at this guy. He's got a dog. Skippity skip skip. Wonderful.
Jeep don't stand for just Jeep.
That's what it's for, bro. Just pass it along, man. Have a great day, okay? You too. Kindness, sir.
Thanks from my heart to yours, brother.
All right, guys. You have just earned an extra 50 bucks. You are most welcome, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you... Brandon Haneline. It's called Brandon Haneline. Haneline. Uh-oh, she's into YouTube.
In it.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you too. That was awesome. They were able to give 5 different people $20. They were so surprised, and it just really means something to me when the good people of this world get to do good things. Now, this video is monetized, so I want to make sure that you know any proceeds that come from this video, okay, will be used to pay it forward from here on out, okay? If it produces $1,000, $10,000, or $1 million, we are giving that money away. So make sure you share it with everyone you know and pass it along.